everyone! Welcome to Outdoor School Bangkok cooking class. I am Aisa. So today we are going to make carrot granola balls. Carrot granola balls is easy to make and it is healthy. We have the oats and then grated carrots, nuts, almonds and walnuts. It's grounded. We have raisins, peanut butter, and honey. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we put the oats. We put in the bowl. And then we add the peanut butter. And then honey. And we add the grounded nuts. Then we need to mix well. And then we put the carrots and raisins. Then we need to mix all together until everything stucks together. This. When everything is stuck together, we will make balls. We will form balls. Okay, so these are the granola balls. So we need to cover it and put it in the fridge. Let it stay there for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can take out and eat. Hope you will follow the simple steps on how to make carrot granola balls and hope you will enjoy it. For more videos, you can follow us here. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.